What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm super excited to share with you guys how I turned over about $455 in the past 36 hours with just 1 or 2 hours of work. Now, I know this sounds a little bit clickbaity, but this actually worked for me, and hopefully with this video I'm going to show you how you can replicate this. This video is inspired by Investor's channel. I actually saw the strategy on his channel and decided to try this out. I'm also adding a bit of my own value, and it actually worked really well, and I saw some good revenue from it. So it proves if you do take action and just put in a little bit of effort, these kind of methods can pay off. And the best part about this strategy is you don't need any skills, you don't need a website, you can use your mobile phone or laptop, you just need internet access and you can do this. And also on top of all of this, at the end of this video, I'm going to literally give you for free 2 ebooks that cost about $3.99 each on affiliate marketing. The one is going to be an entire ebook on the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing. It's literally about 18 modules, over 30,000 words, giving you a ton of value on how to succeed in affiliate marketing. And I'm also going to give you a free book on 11 popular mistakes that affiliate marketers make that hurt their sales and their commissions. So this will also help a lot with this kind of strategy. So make sure to watch until the end so that you can get these ebooks for free. And guys, before we get into this actual strategy, I just want to show you the affiliate transaction that came through the affiliate company or the platform that I've been using this exact strategy that came through last night. Today is now the 1st of April. This came through on the 31st of March. Just to show you the transaction of $455 from the affiliate platform that I've been using, just to show you that this is the receipt of my PayPal account. If I refresh my account, I'm just going to log in again to this page because I've been logged out for a while. Here you can see right here, 455 USD payment from the company, the transaction ID, the time, just to show you this is the transaction that I got using this strategy. So there are going to be a couple of important steps throughout this video, so make sure to keep watching with me so that you can learn how to do this and replicate this. The first thing that we need to do is we need to come over to Google. You can open a new Google tab and we can search something like how to get YouTube views. We can open up another tab. We can also search something, for example, how to go viral on YouTube is a good example that we can use. And you can also use how to get YouTube subscribers. Just like that. And what's also super valuable about the strategy before we continue, we're not actually going to be doing any cold selling to anybody. So for example, we're not going to be pasting an affiliate link anywhere. We're not going to just be spamming people. This is actually going to be something really, really valuable and organic that is much higher converting than most strategies shown in the past. So now that we got these tabs open on how to go viral on YouTube and how to get YouTube subscribers and how to get YouTube views, before we continue and actually before I show you how to utilize all of this, I'm going to quickly show you the tool that we need for this. So the platform that I've been using with this is called Sprizzy.com, which is basically a tool that is guaranteed to make your videos go viral through paid traffic. But we're not actually going to be using this ourselves. We're not going to be paying anybody. We're not going to be paying this platform. The best part about Sprizzy.com, I've actually used them myself, and I've literally paid, I think it was about $20, and I got well over 1,000 views on a video. So it really does work, and it's all organic traffic from YouTube itself. It's not bots or anything like that. They really are building a good brand for themselves. But with Sprizzy, if you come down to the bottom, they actually offer an affiliate program, which is what we're going to be using to earn with this method. And you can read more than enough information on the homepage on how this works. So it's literally a perfect tool for new and existing YouTubers that want to get their videos to go viral, that want to pay for their videos to get promoted on the YouTube algorithm. This is exactly what Sprizzy does for you. And the commission structure basically works as you're going to get 20% of how much ever somebody spends on this website. So for example, if somebody spends $30 on Sprizzy, you're going to get $6 commission. If somebody spends $100, you're going to get $20. If somebody spends $1,000 on ads, you're going to get $200 in commissions. If somebody spends $10,000, you're going to get $2,000. So whatever somebody spends on this website that you've referred them through your affiliate link, and make sure to keep watching with me, as I'm literally going to give you tools that is going to automate traffic to your link, which is super powerful. You're going to get 20% per referral per whatever they spend. And once you apply on the affiliate program, they are going to review your page or your affiliate submission. And once you get approved with that, you can come over to your dashboard, which will take you to your dashboard like this, where you've got your affiliate link to Sprizzy. So now that we've got our affiliate link, and now that we've got our keywords specifically searched on Google, we're going to need the third tool, which is going to play a crucial role in the success of this method. That is called snip.ly, which is basically a tool that is going to add a call to action to every link that you share. So for example, if I take any of these articles, I come and paste it on Sniply, you can add a call to action in like the bottom left of that website, which will engage with a lot of people visiting on the website. But stick with me as I'm going to explain to you how powerful this is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my dashboard on Sniply. You can sign up. They have got a 14-day free trial. You can literally go to Google snip.ly. You don't have to, I don't have an affiliate link for this. So you can go straight to the website yourself and you can sign up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create my first snip. Just add a nice profile picture, add your name. You can click continue. And then you can see right here, this is the kind of template they have. So whatever link you put in on Sniply is going to pop up here. And this is what your pop-up or your call to action will look like. So you can see the picture of me. I can add my message and the button. And this is where we're going to go to Google and we're going to type in these various different terms. So we can use, for example, let's use this one over here, viewership.com, 3 ways to promote your channel. Let's go to page 2. There's one over here, the balance SMV, viral video marketing, how to make your video go viral. We can use this term as well, how to get YouTube subscribers. We can do Hootsuite. We can do WordStream. So these are all articles that we can copy. So let's take, for example, this one over here, wordstream.com, this blog on how to get more YouTube subscribers and views. I'm going to literally copy this. I'm going to come back to my setup here on snip.ly, and I'm going to type in this message. This tool made me get over 1 million views on YouTube in weeks. Then the button URL, for the button URL, we're going to come back to Sprizzy. We're going to copy our affiliate link, paste that over here. We can then click to continue, and then the page URL is the URL to the article of the blog. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste this here. Okay, so some websites we aren't going to be able to use. So your big websites like Forbes or Inc.com, Medium.com, your massive article websites probably won't work for this method, as those websites obviously have billions and billions of traffic on a monthly basis. So you want to head over to more the bottom of the websites and use more of the smaller article websites. So another one I could try is this one here, the Hootsuite one. So I'm going to try copy this one and paste it over here. And you can see it's now generated my Sniply link. And if I copy this and come over to Sniply, you can see it's produced the article, the entire website for me, and it's got my engagement or little pop-up over here, my call to action. When people click on this, it's going to take me to my Sprizzy affiliate link. So now that we have our link, our article that literally is made for us that you can find on Google, and as you can see so far, there's literally been hardly any effort put into this. We need to find traffic. So as usual, I'm going to show you a free traffic method that you can use to get a couple of sales and then invest into something like a paid traffic method that will benefit you and really skyrocket your sales. So I mean, there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can head over to Twitter.com, you can head over to Facebook, and the best way to go about this is join engagement groups, interact with people, give value, mention this tool, such as, hey guys, I've been using this tool. You can do a post, just engage with people. You don't want to go post spam like all those people do on those Facebook groups. I'm going to type in on Facebook how to get views. Twitter, we can go to the search bar and we can go how to get views. For example, here's people tweeting, is it wrong to want validation? I work hard on my songs. I only get 0 to 5 views per YouTube. So, I mean, you can like comment and say, hey, I've been using this tool to get about 1,000 views per video. If you want to have a look at it, you can try out the free trial. Click on the link below and let me know what you think. You can do the same with Facebook groups. Just engage with people. You can message your own friends. If anybody you know is producing content, you can contact them. Or you could also go join Facebook groups such as here, how to get views. Or these are actually pages. You can filter here by groups. On the groups tab, you can see get more views and subscribers. Let's just type in YouTube, for example. We can actually find YouTube groups on groups. So YouTube subscribers, YouTube videos, 4.5K posts a day. So these are big groups with probably 50 to hundreds of thousands of people plus. And what you can do is you can literally click any one of these groups. I'm just going to click this one over here, increase YouTube views and subscribers. And you can put something like this. I just came up with this now at the top of my head. Hey, I've read through some articles regarding organic growth on YouTube, which gave me a lot of insights on how to go viral. I personally have achieved over 1K views per video using the information from these articles. If anybody wants to read through this, leave a comment down below and I will send it over to you. Let's grow together so it's organic as possible, and I'm going to post this right here. And what I'll do is I'll post some of the results on my private Facebook group, so make sure to join that down below. And as I say, just keep engaging with groups, keep engaging with people, provide as much as value, and then from there, we can scale to a paid traffic method like the one I'm going to show you now. And you can go and do the same thing on Twitter. Just reply to people. You can use a similar, or I wouldn't go and copy paste the same template over and over and over, as I'm not sure how strict Twitter or Facebook is with spam or picking that up. So I suggest try and be as organic as possible. And then on top of all of this, I've got this product right here, which is basically a tool that is on a massive special at the moment, where this guy actually teaches you how to get traffic to your platform. It's nothing ridiculous like those insane $400, $500 per day. It's something small that costs $4.95, and he basically teaches how he created a simple 30 per minute little business that generates about $60 per day in affiliate marketing links, which is super valuable. It's literally teaching you step by step how he did it. There's no website needed. It can work in any niche. It's a step-by-step process. There's no software or tools needed. It uses only free traffic, and it's 100% newbie friendly. So I mean, for something like this is definitely something that you can check out if you want to get started in affiliate marketing. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link to this tool in the description. It's not actually going to be my affiliate link. It's literally just going to be a link directly to this page where you can go check this out. There's got a free 3-minute training video here, and the whole product is marked down from $97 to $4.95, which is super valuable. So this will help a lot in getting traffic to your page. And then for the giveaway of these 2 free PDF books, what I want you guys to do is they're really also going to be super valuable. So I'm really giving you as many resources as possible for a method like this to generate as many sales as possible for yourselves. I'm gonna ask you just for 2 things. That is to subscribe down below with the bell on. You got to make sure that the bell is on. I can see the percentage of my audience that has the bell on, so make sure to do that so I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome and value-packed video just like this one. Leave a like on this video, and then also comment down below that you've done so, and I'll reply with both links to both these PDFs. It's directly to the PDF. You don't have to enter anything. You can literally download it there from that link straight to your phone or PC, and you can read through it. It gives you something to do while most of us are home. As I say, knowledge is power. This is a great opportunity for all of us to learn something new, whether it's about affiliate marketing or building an income online. So all of this information will help you guys a lot. But guys, right here on the screen, I've got some of my best playlists on how to make money online. Literally free courses right here on YouTube that you can click on and watch through. So make sure to choose one of these on the screens. They're really packed with tons of value, a lot of giveaways, a lot of helpful tools that will help you and that help me build an income online. So make sure to choose one of these on the screen, and I'll see you there.